Hello everyone, myself M. Subhaprada, Assistant Professor of Mechatronics Department, MEM School of Engineering, Trichy. Now we are going to see about the Professional Ethics in Engineering, Unit 1. In Unit 1, we are going to see about the human values. So in this presentation, now we are going to see about what is ethics and what are the professional ethics. We have to discuss about the so many differentiation in the professional ethics and characteristics of the professional ethics. Then we are going to see about the morals and the moral values, and also the ethics should be in the human values. Let me see one by one. So introduction. So here the introduction is that engineering is the people serving profession. So most of them have learned about that engineering will when you are studying engineering means it will be helped in the future, because the 4 years what you are learning in the engineering field, that will be comes over in the end of the final years, and it will be help for the people to serve more in their professional level. So the works which will be involves the interactions with the clients, other engineers and the public, or uh, public at the larger places. So most of the engineers will be professionals that will be invariably face different situations during their careers, where the values will become variables in the decision making process. So the subject professional ethics and the human values has rights which will become an integral part of the engineering education. So here we are also confirmed that the ethical problems, what are the resources are available to an engineering to help the solution, and also these codes will serve to guide the practitioners of the profession in making the decisions about how to conduct themselves and how to resolve the ethical issues that might confront them. So they will examine the codes of ethics in general and look specifically at the some of the codes of engineering professional societies. Next we are going to see about the what is the professional ethics. So professional ethics is nothing but it is about our obligation to the public. So most of the professional ethics will have the doctor, lawyer, engineer or accountant. So they will have been tested and accepted by their professions. So they require to accept their support that their professions is a public interest in obligations. So most of next that is the attributes of the professions are there have been many studies of this questions. So we have to consensus the nature of a profession has been achieved. So what the attributes of the professions are work that requires the sophistical skills that will use of judgment and exercise of discretion. So this work will not routine and is not capable of being mechanized. So the membership in the professionalism requires extensive formal education, not simply the practical training or apprenticeship. So the public will allow these special societies or organizations that are controlled by the members of a profession to set standards for the admission to the profession. So to set the standard of conduct of our members and to enforce these standards, we have to get the judgment and the discretion which is used in the first part of the definitions. So professional ethics is the personal and corporate standards of behavior which will be expected of the members of a particular profession. We have one quote that is said by Satya Sai Baba, that is, thinking with love is truth, feeling with love is peace, acting with love is right conduct, and understanding with love is non-violence. So Satya Sai Baba has tells about that when you are thinking anything means it will be comes into the truthful needs, and also when you are feeling anything it will be comes into peaceful. And if you are acting, that means doing any work means it will be comes under the right conduct. That is when you are conducting the some other persons in the right way, and also understanding will becomes in the non-violence way. So this is the meaning of this quotes. Next, we are going to see about morality to law. What is morality? So, morality means that is it is the values that will guiding the principles that will every citizen should set hold about the moral values. So, it is a knowledge of the difference between right and wrong things. So, moral principles will become progressive and more rigid when it moves into the areas of ethics and laws. So most of the moral values will be understood by the good persons and they have a simple person also. So the moral goods is seen as a optional, but it is a necessary one in our day-to-day life. So this kind of uniqueness will be said as a moral necessity. So in morality to law, there will be three types. One is legal, then ethic, and then moral values. So in human values, we have the basic moral values that will be called to process the lives as a citizen, as a function. So most of the moral values will be in under the laws of effects. So next we are going to see about the characteristics of moral values. So the moral values can be exist only in the free personal being, that will be the person's voluntary or human acts. Most of the moral values will be universal and they will sense the one of the wholes in the particular conditions. And it is a self-justifying. That is when anyone is justifying their moral values means they have to justify in a proper manner. So next is it has a preeminence over every other values and it will implies the obligations to the moral values in a personal being. Next one is ethics. So ethics means that is it is individuals that are morals autonomous being with the powers and rights to choose the values, but it does not follow that all choices and all values which systems that have been equal claim to be called as ethics. For example, we can say that income tax using the machines at the works all will comes under the ethics. So here the moral codes are the rules that will establish their boundary levels. So morality will refers to social convention, that is we have to conduct the right or wrong things. So the ethics are the beliefs which is regarding the right and wrong behavior. So ethics will be one of the beliefs that will regarding the behaviors and the virtues and the habits that will incline us to do what is the acceptable. The vices are the habits that will incline us to do what is unacceptable. So value system is the complex scheme of moral value. So why we are going for ethics for professionals means ethics is one of the study of professionalism. So a basis for the values and visions, it will motivate the employees to do their particular jobs. It will perhaps demanded by the customers and it will be good for the relationship to the stakeholders. On overall check on plans, it will be very helpful and it is a more professionalism to the ethical persons. To avoid the various exposures and risk, ethics will be used for the professionalism. And the part of the governance is a professional ethics. It should be a sustainability for the applied ethical values. Why we are going for ethics? There are some of the methods. So first of that we have to convey the basic needs. So that is the self-interest is a pervasive economic idea. It will not supported by the researchers and overriding the paradigm. So it will be country differences in Japan, as well as the negative personality traits. Some of the other personal goals which will be important are that is the basic needs survival. So first we have to collect the basic needs of the ethical values. Then we have to find out the safety needs. What are the safety needs that occurs in the ethical values? So that means we have to check over the comfort level. And third thing will be the psychological needs. So in our psychological level, we have to check over the ethical values. And the fourth thing will be the self-actualization. What is the self methods we have to follow in our actualization for a process. And the fifth one will be the peak experiences. At last, we have to follow, we have to assure our peak experiences, and we have to go over the last end of the methods. So that is family and friends, personal development, that is example Maslow's, and aesthetics, a nice place to live, and contribution to the society level. Thank you.